Hello, my name is Ophelia Noble, graduating class of Clark College, 1998. I've been asked to record about 2 minutes of video expressing and reflecting upon what this award, the 2020 Outstanding Alumni Award honor, means to me. And as I have spent time reflecting, what I realized is that it can be summed up so quickly with growth of an individual, growth of community, growth of family, growth of and progress of ideas and thoughts on how we want our community to be shaped and formed far into the future. I also reflect on, being a graduate of Pantera Alternative School and walking onto the campus nervous and not knowing which way and which direction and how things would work out, but just having a deep desire of knowing that I did want to receive an education, and really the challenges that surrounded receiving that education, being a single mom, receiving TANF and food stamps, and then somehow graduating from Clark College and working for the state of Washington for 10 years, DSHS, and really having a servant leadership model established through Clark College that I've carried with me for the past 20 plus years. I think that as I accept this honor and really get a little emotional, I don't accept it on behalf of where I've been. I accept this on behalf of, as an individual, where I plan to go, and the support and encouragement of Clark College alumni, faculty at the time, staff, and there were hard times, but I feel like as a community with the Black Student Union and the activities that we were able to develop on campus, and the camaraderie that we were able to broaden, and the network of support that we were able to provide one another here on this campus. I'm just so honored and thankful for Clark College recognizing more than just tenacity, but the courage to be present and remain in community and strength and humility and love. Thank you.
I didn't consider myself a Joan of Arc type person. I didn't look back at it as, gee, look what wonderful things I did. I was very pleased that it happened. But it wasn't just me. It was a whole room full of people who all had the same attitudes, hopes, desires of not having to just spend the rest of our lives hiding and drinking in bars. I decided on freedom way before then. I just didn't have that group behind me to help out. It was just the outcome of coming out and finding that there were so many other people who were free of the fear that it just was like a shot in the arm of both pride, energy, gratification,
and freedom.